Hello students, welcome to Isha Tech Foundation. Myself Isha Mahajan, your teacher and trainer. So today in this video we will learn that how to create and publish a blog. Okay. So first of all I want to tell you that what is a blog. A blog is an easy way to create website that allow users to share their thoughts with the world over the internet. Okay, so the topic of the blog can be anything from personal to professional. A blog can be used to convey messages about anything, about any event, worldwide happening, any news, etc. Okay, and there are many websites that are offering free blog services. Okay, and some of the websites are like www.wordpress.com, bloggers.com, blog.com, blogspot.com. So let's start with the bloggers.com. So firstly we will open any browser, any web browser. So I have opened Mozilla Firefox. Okay, so firstly I'll write here in the address bar bloggers.com, bloggers.com. So this bloggers.com is open. Okay, so I have to sign in firstly. So I have signed in the bloggers.com. Okay, firstly it will ask choose a name for your blog. So firstly we will choose the name of our blog. So any name that you want. Firstly you should have any idea, okay, for what's the topic of your blog. You should have any idea before creating the blog. So let's suppose I have created a blog. Let's the title will be Chatpati recipes. Okay, so click on the next. Okay, now it's asking for the URL. So you can see the https://www.bloggers.com. It is a URL. So similarly we will create the URL for our blog. Okay, so it's asking for the address means our web address. So you can write here any address. Okay, so we will write here available. Okay, so satvicfoods.blogspot.com will be our address. So click on the next. Confirm your display name. So our display name is it can be any. Okay, Chatpati recipes. Okay, so finish. So just wait. Now you can see our blog is created. Okay, and you can see this dashboard. Okay, click on the new post. So firstly we will post any kind of recipe of simply making tea. So we will type here anything like, I'm just giving you, okay, I'm just giving you the overview. Okay, so let's suppose I have typed this recipe, okay, and the title of this recipe of making recipe of masala tea. Okay, so I have typed the text, means recipe. Okay, so I can format this text from here. Okay, text background also is here. Okay, so here is a button on the right side, publish. So when we click on the button publish, it will get published. Okay, so confirm. So you can see our post is published right now. So we can see our blog. You can see either view blog. So click here, open in new tab, satvikfoods.blogspot.com. So our heading is Chatpati recipes, recipe of masala tea. So actually I have just giving you the demo. So I have just typed random content. Okay, so you can type properly. Okay, so you can see the blog is created with your name. Your address is satvikfoods.blogspot.com. heading is Chatpati recipes. Okay, and we can also change the theme of the blog. So from the dashboard you can see here the option is theme. So click on the theme. You can see here are many themes. When you will create your blog for beauty products, related to beauty products, you can use this theme. Related to food, you can use these themes. Okay, and when you are creating your blog for traveling purpose, then you can use this kind of themes. Okay, so let's suppose we will use this theme. So click here, click on the apply button. Okay, so new theme applied successfully. Okay, so now we will see again. You can see the theme is changed. Okay, its look is properly changed. Okay, so this is the way that how we can create our blog by using bloggers.com. So we have created a blog by using bloggers.com. We have posted one post also. Okay, so I hope you have learned in this video that how we can create a blog by using bloggers.com. Okay, so keep watching, keep learning.